Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Pretty Peach Blossom. Well, I keep saying Pretty Peach Blossom, but it's not really Pretty Peach Blossom anymore. This YouTube channel is called Esnet Moyo. That is my name. Welcome if you're new. There are a few of you who've been leaving me comments, and I mean, we're still a very, very small channel, but you have motivated me to create more videos. Thank you so much. And if you are new to this channel, please be sure to subscribe. And if you really like the content, thumbs up. Before we even, I start rambling, let's just get straight into it. Today, I am talking to you about Korean skincare, and I am concentrating on one thing alone, and that is sheet masks. Well, I hope I'm saying that right because I always botch that name. I say shit. I don't know. You know what I mean. Anyway, I am going to say that has to be my favorite Korean skincare product as a whole, period, because I like the way it works. So this is how sheet masks work. It comes in a pack like this. It could possibly come in a jug. This is like an eye mask, and you would have like a few eye masks that you place over there. They're not reusable. They're a one-time use only. Or they could also come in a form of patch mask, like this one's here. These are patch masks, which you just take and place in the area of concern. So when you get this mask, you'd apply it, wear it for anything from 10 to 20 minutes, whatever tickles your fancy, however much time you have. Just make sure that it does not dry on your skin, because if it does dry on your skin, then it starts to suck out moisture from your skin, and that's not what we want. We want good results here. So I was just going to say the reason that I love this so much is because they come in a whole range of things. You can get them from exfoliating sheet mask to moisturizing sheet mask to brightening sheet mask. So we'll just have a look here. I think this is kind of like a calming if your skin is sensitive. And this is like a hydrating. This is more of a moisture for dry skin. So if you wanted moisture, all different ones. This is illuminating, which is brightening. So this tells me that maybe there's a bit of exfoliant or some vitamin C of some sort in there. So they come in a whole array of different ingredients, and you just pick what is your skin concern at that particular time and you use it. And this is how I would use mine. I would use, if I could, and if they weren't so they're not expensive, but because they're a one-time use product, you only use it once. So that means even if you buy it as cheap as £6, if I'm going to use it every single day for 10 days, that's £60. See where I'm going with it here? So it's really not feasible to use it every single day unless you are preparing for a wedding or some sort of event. How I would use this, I would use it at least maybe twice a week initially. And then as your skin gets better, you don't need to use as much. Probably use it once every week. Yeah, I do recommend once every week. And if you can, just make sure that you do it when you have plenty of time to really let it sink in, sit there on your skin and the ingredients to sink in. I would say cleanse, tone, exfoliate, and then apply your sheet mask. That would be the best way of using a sheet mask. So let me know if you are a sheet mask fan or if I converted you. If I have, let me know in the comments below. I really hope you do enjoy this. You did enjoy this little intro to some of my favorite Korean skincare products. And I'll just show you what an eye mask looks like. If you can see, this is an eye mask that I'm just going to stand and try and show you. This is what this eye mask looks like. I'll just open it up. As if you can see, there is actually some liquid in here, and you would just pull out one like that and apply it on your eyes and keep it for as long as you can. And this comes in a gel texture. So that's it really. I hope you did enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up as well. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, even though it's just one or two of you.